Was your Finnair flight delayed, cancelled, or did you miss a connecting flight? No need to worry. You could be entitled to compensation. In this video, I'll take you through the easy steps to claim compensation for your disrupted Finnair flight using Compensair. With Compensair's trusted service, you won't need to handle the paperwork or deal with the airline directly. Let's jump right in. First, go to Compensair. Although you can search for the site online, to stay safe and avoid phishing sites, it's best to use the official link provided in the video description below. Once on the site, start by entering your Finnair flight details, such as the departure and destination airports, flight number, and the date of your travel. You can find all of this information on your boarding pass or flight confirmation email. Next, you'll need to fill in your personal details, such as your full name and email address. Don't worry, Compensair takes data protection seriously, so your information will remain secure. After reviewing all the information for accuracy, click Submit to finalize your claim. Compensair will then take over, handling all communication with Finnair to ensure you receive the compensation you deserve. All you have to do is wait for their updates. When your claim is successfully processed, you'll receive an email notification, and your compensation will be sent directly to your preferred payment method. And that's it. Compensair makes it simple to get compensation for delayed, cancelled, or missed Finnair flights. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.